us. I'm Kat.
And I'm Sarah. And today we're doing Sister Does My Makeup Blindfolded Challenge.
I'm really excited because I think that I'll do really well at this challenge just because I can't see on a daily basis. So maybe this is my one time I can win. I set it up she's very nervous. She can shake. Yeah. She's shaking. So I set it up here in order so that I know what typically goes first on the face and what would typically go last. Basically, Sarah doesn't want me to put mascara on her lips, okay? I wouldn't do that. I know what mascara feels like. I would hope. So she just doesn't want mascara on her lips.
I'm barefaced right now. I apologize.
Don't apologize for that.
Natural beauty here.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started.
But do I still look cute though?
Yes.
Oh, you're a little oily.
I'm nervous.
Does my hair look ridiculous up here? Because I feel it like flopping.
It's like one of those like roosters that have that extra bun in the top.
Roosters have that.
Okay, I'm nervous. She's gonna poke my eye out. Be careful with your very sharp nails. I'm afraid.
Okay, so are you wearing lotion?
I'm wearing lotion.
Alrighty then. This is primer. Okay, I'm gonna just.
I'm trying to keep my mouth shut.
Stay still! I'm trying to make sure those pores are covered. Cover that mustache. Okay.
Alright, that's long enough.
I just knocked over everything. Next step would be foundation. Beauty blender. Well, makeup blender.
Knockoff beauty blender. You can say it. I don't care.
Well, no, I use a knockoff beauty blender. Do you think I'm about to pay like $24 for a sponge? Maybe. This is foundation. I know it because I use the same kind of foundation, just a different shade. So I'm very nervous for this part.
Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like I'm doing really bad.
No, so far you actually get all my hair now.
Okay. What is this?
I moved.
The whole point of you is not to move, so I get it. Beauty blender. Blending. Tap, 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 tap.
Ow! You did say it was an eyeball. Let me remind you.
I'm sorry, beautiful sister. Blend. That's the secret to good makeup.
Let me remind you that it's a face under that sponge, not a table.
Woman up. Woman up.
And that's an eyeball. I'm just reminding you there's two of them.
I'm not being careful.
You scratched me with your cara.
You moved.
Why did I agree to this?
I'm done with that. Next is concealer. I think I just knocked over something important.
Yep. Definitely did. Definitely did.
This is not it.
Don't put your nostril on it.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, this is it. This is the orange thing, right? I'm pretty sure this is the orange thing. Okay, so Sarah has really dark under eye, so she uses color corrector, which is in a peachy shade, if this is what I'm saying it is. And she's gonna put it under her baggie. Now I'm like second guessing myself. And then she puts regular concealer over it I'm gonna put it on the beauty blender. Is that where it comes out from?
Mm-hmm.
Next is concealer. That feels like your concealer. Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna contour a little bit, right? Do you contour?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay. Okay, this is your nose and the highlight on the forehead and Cupid's bow trying to make you look cute. Stop! You're making me self-conscious that I'm not doing things right. I'm pretty sure I'm doing things right. The top of your nose and then the forehead, under your eyes.
God, you're actually pretty good at this. No joke.
Really? Mm-hmm. I feel like you're lying. I feel like she's saying that, but then like she's looking at the camera and going pat, 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 pat. Okay. Am I hurting you?
Yep, definitely poking my eye out.
There's your eye!
You found it when you poked it, that's for sure.
I feel like I'm getting too close to you. And your Cupid's bow. Okay. And your forehead. Now we shall set the eyes so that the under eye doesn't crease. Because we don't want it to crease. So I'm going to get a brush. Is this MAC? By the shape of it, I'm assuming it's MAC. This is not the product. This is... What is this? Oh, this is the makeup sponge. That's not the product. This doesn't feel like product. I'm embarrassed.
There you go.
Setting powder. Dust it off a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think you're taking advantage of the fact that you're looking for my face and slapping my head.
This is not good. And you normally put like a lot of powder on your nose, like your T-zones.
Not this much. Got to my eyeball. I feel beautiful so far.
Next, this is bronzer. I'm pretty sure this is bronzer because I think I remember the shape because it's round, but it has like it has very hard edges on the sides. So I'm pretty sure this is your Clinique bronzer. Angled brush. I knew it. Okay. So we're gonna grab some product. Okay.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay.
Bronze me.
So bronze, you want to do the 3. So you're gonna make like a 3, like this. See, you're gonna make like a 3. You see? Any viewers out there that wanted to learn how to do makeup? Welcome, beauty school, right here. You don't need to go anywhere else to learn. We'll teach you because we know what we're doing. Hide that double chin.
Yes, I did well.
Oh, Buttercup, you look so beautiful.
I feel beautiful.
I can tell that you're gorgeous.
I feel very beautiful right now.
The contouring part is done with the angled brush. I'm going to move on to contour the nose a little bit. Oh, this feels a little dense. I might get a lot of product out of that. Let's go with it. And we are contouring the nose. So we're done with contouring. I'm gonna move on with blush in this shade, whatever it is.
A big shade.
I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush like this one. I'm going to go in lightly. We're gonna go for the apples of the cheeks. Blend out so that you don't look like a geisha. Memoirs of a Geisha is my favorite movie.
Oh yeah, that's an awesome movie. You must watch.
So
Buttercup, I was thinking of the same thing when you said geisha.
no, you didn't.
Okay, Buttercup.
Buttercup, I love you so much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with an angled with not like a fan brush. It's the Sonia Kachuk, whatever you say it, from Target. It's the fan brush, but I'm not a huge fan of it. I feel like it never grabs enough product. Fan brush and highlight, and we're just gonna go in with this fan brush, and we are gonna highlight for the gods. I just got the whole mustache, but let's highlight that too while we're at it. We definitely want that standing out. Okay.
I can see why you said that this one doesn't pick up as much product, but...
Oh, so it's not that highlighted?
Oh no, it's highlighted, but I'm just saying it's not as highlighted as I'm used to.
I can go more.
Oh no, I think I'm okay.
Okay, so now come to the part that I'm very scared of. And I'm sure little Sarah's very scared of.
Yes.
Okay, it's time for the eyeballs. And I'm really good at this, so whatever, you know, for her to be so nervous about it, you know. Oh wait, we gotta do eyebrows. So we're just filling in her eyebrows just to make it look more defined. I think that's good. That felt right. Well, I know that I want to start with a light base on her eyes to help the colors blend in. Now, I'm gonna go in with your crease here.
Nice.
Next, I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner on her top lid and do a winged look. Okay.
It's over here.
What? You're beautiful.
I feel so beautiful. That's my move again. I'm here. That's my head.
Next is mascara. One of these is mascara. We'll find out soon enough.
Oh god.
No, that's mascara. That's mascara. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. That's as far as I'll go with that. I'm so nervous. Finally, we're going with the lips to finish off this beautiful look for Sarah. Okay. Go like this.
You got it on so right.
You're such a liar. Okay, and
Do you really? Oh my gosh, okay.
And she tops it off with a gloss. Okay. Alright. Oh,
You're beautiful.
and to finish it off, we need some setting spray. What are you laughing at? What? Yeah, I want to set this because I'm really confident in my work. And we have the finished look. Sarah, are you gonna look in the mirror and have a big reveal?
Oh, I've been looking at myself this whole time. I'm just gonna get closer to the camera so people can really see your work of art.
Okay.
So,
I mean, it's beautiful, so I'm not worried.
ready?
Yep. Oh my god! Oh my god!
And this is me trusting you with my face.
Oh my god! Oh, you look so ugly.
A minute ago, I was so beautiful and you were so confident in your work. First of all, you put bronzer on my cheekbones.
What?
And you highlighted my fatness. So if I look like I have a double chin,
these are the same shape. They're the same shape.
So
I'm so upset at myself.
That's why my nose is sticking out.
Okay, well, I put things in the right place. Your eyebrows look nice.
My eyebrows are nice.
I didn't. What is this? What happened here?
I want to show what happened here. I'm gonna say that concludes this challenge. I feel beautiful. Buttercup, you did an amazing job. I think if I just remove the mustache of lipstick, this could be a new look.
Would you feel confident walking out in the street today with this look?
I'm gonna go with a hard no. Hard no.
Man, I thought I would do a lot better. I'm a little disappointed in myself, to be honest.
So, can I do your makeup now?
It's getting a little late, Buttercup. Oh, wow, look at the time. Alright, guys, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed watching me do my sister's makeup, even though I couldn't watch myself do my sister's makeup because I was blindfolded.
But you see the beautiful results from it.
They are beautiful, and I feel that you should be really happy with what came up and what's on your face. So have a great rest of your week. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other challenges that you would like us to try out for you. And also, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked watching us do this challenge, and if you would like Sarah to do this challenge onto me. And also be sure to subscribe to our channel. We will start uploading videos every Monday. That's it.
That's it.
Enjoy your Monday. Follow us.
Bye, Buttercups.
Bye, Buttercups. Love you, Buttercups.
I feel like I should give them like a kiss, like. Enjoy your Monday. Enjoy your Monday.